this assessment points us to this figure and asks us, which student are you, student 1 or student 2? Is your ability at the level that you're maybe able to do well in general chemistry, but you're not going to be able to do well enough in organic chemistry? Or is your ability such that you're going to be good enough to do all of these things, get through organic, and then gain admission to graduate school / get a job? I think the solution in the textbook says, what an asinine question. And I'll reiterate that here. Who wrote this terrible question? It was me. But here's why I wrote it. Here's why I ask it. Because this assumes a fixed mindset. This says that what you are today is who you're going to be at the end of this semester, at the end of this year, at the end of your college career, midway through graduate school or medical school, or after your first 3 years of working a job. And that can't be further from the truth. You're going to grow, and you have to anticipate growth and expect growth and want to grow and be willing to work to grow. This gets back to the I'm not cut out for organic question or statement. You're cut out if you want to, right? If you want to be cut out for it, you can. Do the things necessary and you'll grow. Study the right way and you'll grow. Dedicate the time and you'll grow. Will you encounter challenge? Absolutely. But that's what, in fact, that's what's going to make us grow. Those questions that we have to ponder, those assessments that we have to work at for a little while, those are going to be those difficult exams that stretch us a little bit. As much as we don't want them to be difficult, those difficult exams are going to be the ones that help us grow, so that we can turn these kind of fixed mindseted lines into ones that look like this, where there's constant growth as we go through dips and valleys, but a trajectory that is upward. That's the trajectory we need to get on. And you're going to be able to do that by having a growth mindset that says, I can improve, as opposed to, here's my level, this is all I got.